As you already know, the latest version of the CapCut app now has a watermark at the top of the video you are going to export. If you use CapCut for free, you can export videos without the CapCut watermark for only 30 uses. After that, you are forced to accept the CapCut watermark on your video. But don't worry, because it is located in the upper left corner, you can easily remove the CapCut watermark. However, you need a third app called Remove Objects, Photo and Video, which you can install for free on the Play Store. Simply open the app. Choose the Select Video menu. Then select and add your video. Next, adjust the size and position of this selection box to cover the entire watermark area. Now, open the Settings button, then determine the speed of the video process you want. The slower it is, the better the compression process will be. Finally, tap Save. Select the video resolution size you want. Wait for the process to take place. And you're done. Now the CapCut watermark on your video has been successfully removed. Easy, right? That's all the tips this time. And thank you for watching.